Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. Today I will be making bread sausage rolls. You may serve this for breakfast on weekends, or you can serve this as a snack or an appetizer. It is extremely delicious and kids will love this. So let's get started. I have added a tablespoon of oil and my pan is heating over medium heat. I have taken 5 chicken sausages. Now I have bought pre-cooked sausages, so I am going to lightly fry them. If your sausages are not pre-cooked, then please fry them till they are fully cooked. At the same time, you can use any sausages of your preference. I got this recipe from one of my cousin brothers. So Parthuda, if you happen to be watching this video, thanks a lot for sharing this wonderful recipe. The sausages have browned up, so I am going to take them out one by one. Let them now cool down a bit while we do our other prep work. Let me share a little tip here. If while cutting vegetables you see your cutting board is slipping, then take a damp cloth or a damp paper towel and place it under your cutting board like this. In this way you will see the cutting board won't slip anymore. Okay, so I have taken 5 slices of bread. I cut the browns from the sides of the bread as my family likes it in that way, but it is not necessary to cut the browns. After that, with the help of a rolling pin, roll out each slice of bread to make it thinner and flat. Next, I have taken 2 eggs to which I added just a splash of milk, about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Then I added just a little pinch of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is totally optional. I added because I love that flavor in the eggs. Then add freshly ground black pepper and whisk very well. Now that our sausages have almost cooled down, let's make the rolls. Take each rolled out bread, apply little butter on one side, place a sausage on one end of the bread and roll it tightly. Place it with the seam side down so that they don't open up. I will repeat with the other breads as well. With the other 2 slices of bread, I will be rolling these with cheese. So I won't apply butter on these. Just place a slice of any cheese of your choice and roll it up tightly with the sausage. Now let's start frying. I have added 4 tablespoons of oil in the same pan in which I had fried my sausages. Dip the roll in the egg mix, coat it very well with the egg and place it gently in the pan with the seam side down. Remember that the fold should never face up or else the roll will open up. Fry them on medium to low heat. I feel more comfortable doing this with my hands than a pair of tongs, so please don't mind. I always wash my hands before handling any food. Fry them on medium to low heat and then turn each roll when the lower side turns golden brown. Place them on the sides as well to get even browning. The rolls have become golden brown now, so I'll take them out. The next 2 will be the ones with cheese in them. If your kids like cheese, then they are going to love having this. I am done frying all my bread rolls, and as you can see there is still some egg left over, so I will be making savory French toast with it. I have a better recipe on my channel on savory French toast with vegetables in them. I have given the link to that recipe in the description box below. Serve this with ketchup or barbecue sauce or any chutney of your choice. Here I am grating some Parmesan cheese on top. Please try this recipe. I am sure your family will love this. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. And do not forget to click on that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.